What's up, y'all? My name is Rabbi Barry Jones, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so today we're doing a tutorial on how to create this type of stroke around an image. Yes, so without further talks, let's get to the intro. Okay, guys, welcome back. So today we're just going to get this out of the way very quick. I'm pretty sure most of you have been seeing it around and stuff, but then you don't know how to get to it. So yeah, I'm going to teach you real quick. So first of all, let me just create a background, something very smooth, something very nice, and I'm just going to add the image and add the stroke. Yeah, so I added an image. It's going to pass through Camera Raw first, then it's going to load into my empty workspace. So this is the image that I'm going to use. So just hit enter for it to load into the empty workspace, just like this. Okay, so I'm just going to scale it up for you to fill the whole workspace, just like so. And if you look very closely to the image, you can see it has like a metal kind of, I don't know how to put it, but then let me just put in a ruler real quick. Yes, so I'm going to make the middle part of the image be right in the middle of the workspace, just like this. Yes, then I'm going to add a gradient overlay, a gradient map, sorry, to it, and something very simple, something very dope, just to get things out of the way. Yeah, so for the color, let me just go in for something like this that's going to match with the green. Yeah, I think the blue matches with the green very well. Then after that, let me just overlay a black rectangle over the whole background like this. Then I am going to reduce the opacity just like this. Okay, so nice, our background is done. So I'm going to bring in the image, and this is the image that I'm going to use. This is Palmer. He's a musician, an upcoming musician. He's going to blow very soon. Yes, so first of all, we are going to select the polygonal lasso tool. That is what we're going to use. Then we're going to zoom in and start from the left lower part of the image. So let's say when you click, then you move the polygonal lasso tool. This is how it works. So you're just going to click at a point, then you move, then you click, you move, then you click, you move, then you click. So you see there's this thing here. His shirt is here, so instead of just going around it, we just click at a point, then move like this, and we're going to show that there's a point here. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say, but then this is how it works. Then we're going to move on, then you move, then you click, move, then you click. So it's basically like running around at the edges of the image. You see how the edges of the image is, just go along how it works, and you're good to go. So another one here, then another one here, then another one here, like so. So when you move, you just click, you move, and you click, and just like that you keep on clicking. So it's like creating the normal stroke that we do see all the time, but this is just a bit different. Okay, so this is another click, like that, like that, another click, another click, another click, like that, like that. The main reason why we're using the polygonal lasso tool is because it has no curves in it. It's just more like a straight pointy stuff, type of thing, and that's the main reason why we use it for this type of stroke. So after you're back to where you started, you just connect with the edge. There's going to be a round thing there, then you just click, and now we have the selection ongoing. So the next thing you're going to do is just create a new layer. Then you select the bucket tool, that's the color, how do you call it, paint bucket, right? Then you just click in the middle of the selection, and now you have the selection down. So now we're just going to move the new layer to the lower part of the image, just like this, and then we're going to change the color of the layer by just going to color overlay, like so, and we're just going to choose any. So for this, we can choose white, or we can choose either a color that is going to correspond with the background. You see this type of green corresponds with the background, so we can use this one. Okay, then just click on OK. There's one thing that we need to look at right here. It depends on the image that you use. You see there are spaces in the middle here, So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to select the polygonal lasso tool again. Then I'm just going to make some few selections. We're just going to exclude this part out of the selection, something like that. Then just click here. Then after that, you select the first layer that we did, the one that we added the color overlay to it. Then just backspace to delete it. So we've taken the selection out of here. Then we'll move to the other part here, make some few selections just like so. Make sure it's a bit cool like this. Then backspace to delete the selection also, and we're good to go. So this is a type of effect that you see around. You see, it's not like the normal stroke that you know, but then it's more like the stroke that you know. Yes. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. I'm pretty sure you learned something from it. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.